Mastering the first conditional. Craft your sentences like a pro. Hello there. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into first conditional. We'll specifically focus on how you can use the first conditional in writing, and how it can make your sentences more interesting and dynamic. Ready? Let's get started. The first conditional is a structure we use for talking about possible situations in the future. It's all about something that might happen. It's not certain, but it's definitely possible. Here's the formula for you. If plus present simple tense, will plus verb. An example would be, if it rains, I will stay at home. Now, how can we use this in our writing? Well, it's perfect for showing potential outcomes or consequences. For instance, if you're writing a story and you want to show what could happen to a character if they make a certain choice, you could use the first conditional. Here's an example. If Jake leaves the city, he will discover a whole new world. Similarly, in a persuasive essay, you could show the possible results of following your advice with a first conditional sentence. For example, if we recycle more, we will reduce pollution. Now, as with any grammar rule, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes. A frequent error with the first conditional is the incorrect use of verb tenses. Remember, it's if plus present simple tense, will plus verb. Incorrect example. If I will study, I will pass the exam. The correct version would be, if I study, I will pass the exam. Well, there you have it. A closer look at using the first conditional in writing. Remember, it's all about painting possible future scenarios. It's not just about grammar, it's about adding depth and dynamism to your writing. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy writing, and remember, practice makes perfect.